development pertaining to the controversy surrounding the public feeding of street dogs, the Supreme Court of India today ordered that no coercive steps shall be taken in pursuance of the order of the Bombay High Court, in specific the Nagpur Bench to be specific, which had ordered that people interested in feeding strays must first formally adopt them and only feed them inside their homes. A Supreme Court bench comprising Justices Sanjiv, Khanna and Maheshwari today stayed the Bombay High Court's observation that persons who feed street dogs must adopt them. To provide a bit of context, the Bombay High Court had observed the following in the impugned order, and I quote from the order here: if these so-called friends of stray dogs are really interested in protection and welfare of the stray dogs, they must adopt the stray dogs, take home the stray dogs, or at least put them up in some good dog shelter homes and bear all the expenses for their registration with municipal authorities and towards their maintenance, health and vaccination. The Supreme Court of India today also directed the Nagpur Municipal Corporation to ensure that the general public feeds such stray dogs only at appropriate locations demarcated by the corporation. Until the locations are identified, it will be open to the municipal authorities to deal with any kind of nuisance caused by the stray dogs in accordance with law, the Supreme Court underscored further. Particularly, the Supreme Court bench today also ordered that it will be open for the municipal authorities to take down the names as well as details of persons who create any kind of public nuisance while feeding the street dogs. However, no coercive action in the form of penalties should be taken by the authorities as earlier directed by the Bombay High Court. Today during the hearing, the bench of Justices Sanjiv Khanna and Maheshwari also wondered if the directions of the Bombay High Court that the people who want to feed street dogs should adopt them and take them home or put them in shelter homes are practical. Senior advocate Gopal Sankanarayan, appearing on behalf of an intervener, opposed the passing of the interim order. Rejecting such an objection, Justice Khanna today said, and I quote here, "To say that the stray dogs should be adopted or kept in captivity is not acceptable." Justice Khanna further underscored today that one cannot insist that the people who feed street dogs should adopt them. When Sankanarayan submitted that there are studies which show that dogs become aggressive on feeding, Justice Khanna responded saying that there is counter literature on that too. Before concluding the hearing today, the Supreme Court also directed the Animal Welfare Board of India as well as the Nagpur Municipal Corporation to file their responses in the matter. For more information regarding today's hearing, you can refer to our detailed report, the link to which has been given in the description box below. Thank you. I'm Aratrika Bhomik for LiveLaw. Keep watching LiveLaw for more such updates.